Englishin mo. Say it in English. Tagalog, manigas ka dyan. English, erect you there. There is no direct Tagalog translation for manigas ka dyan. Tagalog is difficult to translate into English because it has pre-rules to follow. The translation does not match the context, which confuses the word order. Usually, in English, the pattern is subject, verb, object, or in Tagalog, paksa, pandiwa, bagay. But in Tagalog, this is not followed due to free order arrangement. Therefore, translating Tagalog into English is a challenge because it requires a deep understanding of Tagalog grammar. Salamat sa panonood! Tangkilikin ang aming himpilan!